So Zest is different from the other scripting languages. There is no point in creating a scripting language to compete with Python or JavaScript or Ruby. Those are very, very good general purpose languages. There's no point trying to write something to compete with those, well, not for me anyway. Zest is what's called a domain-specific language. So it's very focused. And its domain is security and automation. And I always describe it closer to a macro language, but I think it's more powerful than most macro languages. So what I'll do is I'll start by showing you a Zest script, just to frighten you. So there are quite a few examples here. I will just select one, and here you will see, shock horror, it's actually JSON. This is horrible. You do not want to be writing this. Luckily, that's not how you write it, because Zest is different, it's actually written graphically. And so you don't actually write it in the script console. If you expand this, you actually see all the statements are in the scripts tab. And you may or may not be able to get a vague idea of what this is actually doing. So it's JSON, and the one thing is, it is actually independent of XAMPP. So what we did is, it was written, we kind of created it within the Mozilla security team, and the idea is we wanted this to be tool independent, and I think OWTF has adopted it as well. We haven't done any of the commercial tools have adopted it yet, but anyway, that's a shame, but in some ways it's good because then they don't have the advantages of Zest. One of the disadvantages is it's not